Let me introduce you to a brand new free AI tool that can create longer AI movies and music videos. You can use this tool in two distinct ways to create your videos. The first method allows you to create individual clips, where you specify exactly what you want to see in each segment. The second, and more unique, method involves creating entire sequences to produce a longer video, which is what we'll focus on first. With a sequence, you can use a music track to guide the creation of your AI videos. The tool generates a 1-minute sequence composed of multiple clips, each lasting about 4 to 8 seconds. To create this sequence, you'll need to provide a text prompt and a reference image. The tool will analyze the beats in the music track and make cuts at the right moments. To get started, open Noisee by clicking the link in the description. Then, click on Join Discord. Once you accept the invite, you'll enter Noisee's Discord server. From there, look at the left panel and click on Generate MV. In the message box below, type the command imagine followed by the URL. You'll need to provide a music link. Currently, Noisee supports URLs from YouTube, Udio, and SoundCloud. For this example, let's log into Udio to create an AI music track. Simply describe the type of music you want in the prompt bar. For instance, I will use generate a soothing acoustic song with gentle guitar strumming and soft vocals. Then, select your preferred tags and click Create. Within a few seconds, Udio will generate 2 music tracks for you to choose from. Once you select the track you want to use, click the 3 dots and choose Share. In the pop-up box, click the Copy button to copy the music track's URL. Now return to Noisee and paste the music link into the provided URL field. But before doing that, let's quickly cover how to generate the URL for an MP3 file from your computer. Click on Upload File URL in the left panel, then type the command slurl in the message box to upload your MP3 file. The bot will provide a link for your uploaded file. Just right-click on this link and select Copy Link to copy the URL. Now, under Generate MV, paste either the MP3 URL or the Udio URL you copied. A pop-up box will appear where you need to enter your prompt to describe the video. For instance, I will write, in a vivid dreamscape, the artist moves through a glittering, surrealistic city. The streets are made of sparkling neon lights, and the buildings glow in various shades. Her steps create waves of glitter that dissolve into dancing stars, while glowing objects float around, mirroring her movements and amplifying her feminine energy. The result is a surreal, dark, and stylish video clip featuring slow-motion camera work and ultra-realistic 8K footage. Next, to provide an image reference, go to Upload File URL and type the command slurl to upload your image. I will upload the image I created using Leonardo AI and hit Enter. After that, right-click on the title just above the image and select Copy Link. Once you have copied the link, return to the Noisee image reference box and paste the image link. Finally, set the aspect ratio. I will use the default 16:9, but for shorts and reels, you can use 9:16. The length of the video will depend on the duration of the music. However, Noisee can only create videos up to 1 minute long. To specify the portion of the music you want to include, enter the time parameter below your text prompt in this format. For example, setting the value from to 1 means that the first minute of the music will be used. If you change the values to 1 to 1:30, the music will start at the 1 minute mark and end at 1 minute and 30 seconds, resulting in a 30-second video. This allows you to define the time parameter based on your needs. You can also enter prompts like Star Wars-inspired sci-fi film trailer and upload a reference image and music that fits the theme of your movie trailer. Towards the end, I will show you how to change only the theme of a video without altering the prompt or music. Now, let's click Submit and you will see a progress indicator. While the video is being generated, let's learn how to create individual clips. So click on Generate Clip in the left panel. In the prompt box, type clip, and a familiar pop-up will appear where you can enter your text prompt and a reference image. A clip is a 4-second video created based on the image and prompt you provide. For example, I will type in a young wizard walking with his wolf. To upload the image URL, go to Upload File URL, input a URL, and hit Enter. Then, upload the image that fits the prompt. Once that's done, right-click on the title and copy the image link. Return to the reference image section and paste this link. I will keep the default aspect ratio of 16:9. Next, click Submit, and here is the result. You can download it by clicking this button. If you want to find older videos you've generated, click on the search bar in the top right corner and select Mentions. Enter your username and a panel will open on the right, displaying all the messages you've sent. You can then access any of your previously generated videos. Let's start by watching some of these videos, beginning with the one we created a few minutes ago. Now, when I changed only the style using this image while keeping the prompt and music the same, this video was created. Music applause music. If you notice some clips in the video appear distorted, you can fix this by regenerating the clips. To do this, click the edit button just below your generated video. This will take you to the editing section, where you can review each clip, edit their prompts, and then regenerate them by clicking the regenerate button. This gives you greater control over the editing process. Once you're finished, you can download your video. Noisee is a fantastic tool for creating consistent 1-minute videos, but it has some limitations. You can only generate 3 videos every 3 hours, and there's limited control over the generation process. On the plus side, Noisee is completely copyright-free, meaning you can use your creations for commercial purposes without any restrictions. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with your friends.